God save the Philippines from the Dutertes. Well, siguro tama siya, no? Kung siya ay may impeach talaga, eventually, siya ay mapatunayan na guilty, talagang nasa taong bayan ng tagumpay. God save the Philippines from the Dutertes.
God save the Philippines from what? If we look back at the basis for the impeachment, pag binalikan natin yung video niya, telling the people, may kinausap na ako, na ako, papatayin ang presidente, ang first lady, at ang speaker of the House of Representatives. It reflects your moral character, and it says that you are morally unfit to be vice president, saying that on a video, live na napanood ng buong sambayanan. That's a direct threat and a violation of the Constitution. It's betrayal of public trust against those who voted for you to perform and act appropriately while you're in office. Mm-hmm. It's a high crime under the Constitution. And the impeachment, that's the very basis for the impeachment. And to say that God saved the Philippines coming from someone like that makes no sense at all. So, walang Pilipinong naniniwala sa sinabi niya.